electric bikes are rapidly gaining popularity and becoming an integral part of daily transportation for many individuals. Among the latest additions to the electric bike market is Cube's Longtail Hybrid electric cargo bike, a German-made innovation developed to provide an appealing alternative, especially for families. What sets this electric bike apart is its exceptional versatility and capacity to not only carry groceries or luggage, but also transport your children. The standout feature of the Longtail Hybrid is its customizable rear luggage rack, which can be tailored to meet your specific needs. This rack is engineered to securely accommodate 2 child seats suitable for kids up to 3 years old. For older children, up to 7 years of age, there is an option to attach a bench-style seat complete with floorboards, ensuring a comfortable and secure ride for your little ones. With a rear rack capable of handling up to 40 kilograms, you have the flexibility to add more storage on the sides and front of the bike, increasing your total carry capacity by an additional 30 kilograms. Powering this electric cargo bike is Bosch's 4th-generation Performance Line CX motor, renowned for its ability to conquer steep hills and challenging terrain, thanks to its impressive torque. With a removable 725 watt-hour Bosch battery, the Longtail Hybrid guarantees long-lasting power for extended commutes, making it a reliable choice for everyday transportation needs. While the bike may not offer suspension, it compensates with 26-inch 12 tires that provide a smooth and stable ride, even on uneven surfaces. Safety is further enhanced by the inclusion of Magura hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring that you can confidently navigate through various conditions. The Cube Longtail Hybrid electric cargo bike exemplifies the growing trend of electric bikes becoming more mainstream. Its adaptability and child-friendly appearance make it an ideal choice for families looking to embrace eco-friendly transportation without compromising on practicality. With its robust motor, ample storage options, and reliable components, this bike stands as a compelling option for those seeking a versatile and efficient means of urban mobility, while accommodating their loved ones in the process. As electric bikes continue to evolve, innovations like the Longtail Hybrid are helping to redefine how we approach commuting, making it easier, more sustainable, and more family-friendly than ever before. With a starting price of approximately $4,081, Cube's Longtail Hybrid electric cargo bike presents an enticing proposition for busy families seeking an eco-friendly and practical transportation solution. In a world where urban congestion and environmental concerns are on the rise, this innovative bike offers a refreshing alternative to the traditional family car. For many families, the daily commute, school runs, grocery shopping, and other errands can become a logistical challenge. The Longtail Hybrid steps in as a versatile and cost-effective solution. Priced competitively, it not only helps reduce your carbon footprint, but also eases the strain on your wallet when compared to the expenses associated with owning and maintaining a car. Thank you for watching. I can also recommend watching other videos on our channel. I hope you like them too. Have a nice day and see you soon.